Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Compeer Education Pakistan. Today we are going to learn about active and passive voice. So let's start. First of all, we are going to know what is active voice. An active voice refers to a sentence in which the subject performs an action indicated by the verb. For example, Ali threw the ball. In passive voice, it refers to a sentence in which the subject receives the action of the verb. For example, the ball was thrown by Ali. Now, in active voice, it was Ali threw the ball, and in passive voice, the ball was thrown by Ali. In active voice, the subject performs an action, and in passive voice, the subject receives an action. Now we are going to know all about the formation of active and passive voice. In active voice, we say I like cheesecake. It can be he likes cheesecake or I like football. If we change it into passive voice, it will be changed as cheesecake is liked by me. Cheesecake is liked by me. If it was she likes cheesecake, it will be cheesecake is liked by her. If instead of I, it was he, then it will be changed to him. He likes cheesecake or he likes football or football is liked by him. Now there are some examples. Active voice and passive voice. Anna painted the house. The house was painted by Anna. Ahmed wrote a letter. A letter was written by Ahmed. I am doing my homework. My homework is being done. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Compeer Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Compeer Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.